Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video connecting with BCom third semester for CBCS student. The subject is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a very important subject for all students, so student must have a good knowledge about the subject. As third semester exam date has been scheduled, so students are commenting, sir, please give some important questions from the subject. Okay, as per the request of the student, these are not important questions, these are some suggestive questions. If you go through these terms and topics, you will definitely learn about entrepreneurship. Let's go in detail. There are 5 units from the subject entrepreneurship. From unit 1, you have to study about concept of entrepreneurship, role and importance of entrepreneurship, problems and challenges faced by entrepreneur in promoting entrepreneurial activity, what challenges they face, how they promote their business, regarding what are their problem, regarding those things you study. State about the different dimension or factors of entrepreneurship. Certain short notes I have forwarded, like cultural entrepreneurship, eco-entrepreneurship, internet or net entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship. Regarding these terms, you prepare short notes for 4 or 5 marks. These are certain important topics from unit 1. From unit 2, types of business ethics, you study about what is business ethics, what is small business, what are the role of small business, micro, small, medium enterprise, how they can establish their business, regarding investment pattern, marketing pattern, those things you have to study. Functions and problems faced by small business also you can study. From unit 3, you can study about entrepreneurial sustainability. As sustainability is a very important trending topic in the current scenario. Regarding this unit, you have to study about sustainability and marketing role towards economic environment. Short notes or concept of self-help group, regarding its role and function you study. Functions of business incubators. Okay, it is a new concept, business incubators, new idea, new innovation. Okay, they introduce new business idea, which at present new term has been given as business incubators. Okay, regarding their function you study. Venture capital and concept is another important topic. From unit 4, you study about business plan and preparation. Regarding concept of business plan, what do you mean by business plan? How a business proposal is prepared, or how a idea proposal is prepared so that it can be converted into a business proposal. Source of business idea, different source. Okay, it may be a written medium, newspaper medium, practical medium. What are the different source of business idea, how one can get a business idea, regarding those things you study. Presentation and approval of business agency and institution is another important topic from unit 4. Okay, from unit 5, startup issue. Startup issue is a current trending topic. From startup issue you study about concept of startup. Okay, problem faced by the different startup while operating their business activity. What do you mean by startup contract or contract of startup you can study. Opportunities and challenges of startup you also study. Okay, this is a brief idea about the entrepreneurship subject. If you go through it, I hope definitely you will have a good idea connecting with entrepreneurial concept, function, activities, problem of entrepreneurship. Okay, this is all about for the video. Okay, hope this will give certain benefit to the students. Stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.